my stuff. Well, it's in his house, but look at all his stuff. I'm just going to stay here. Yeah, look at all this stuff. Look at this mirror. Look at this mirror. Yeah, bet you don't have this stuff. Look at that mirror. Yeah, it's pretty cool, right? Yeah. And that mirror. Maybe that mirror. Huh? That mirror. Yeah, that. Look at the sink. Look at all this stuff. Yeah, better than yours. Look at this big mirror. It's bigger than yours. But look, it's cool because it's for the closet door. Yeah, how cool is that? Look at this TV. I can look at myself in here. Yeah, look. Yeah, even this light works. Oh, I'm poor, but I'm going to try and start staying the night here every day. Bam! Oh my gosh.